YouTube. What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess you guys are using the weekend to prepare ourselves for the next trading week. This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video gonna be our weekly outlook for the coming week. I think of the 19th, the 19th up until the 23rd, right? Up until the 23rd. I might be sharing potential direction, right? People, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification so you can get notified every time I upload something new and something valuable in your trading journey as a forex trader or as an entrepreneur in general, right? So now I don't want to say much, and I don't want to I don't want to waste time. I just want to break down what I break down and be out, right? Forgive me for not uploading on time, bro. I was on a funeral yesterday. We were laying our homie to rest. We had a lit vibe. We had everything lit. I'm kind of tired right now, and I'm drinking my glass of water. And I'm drinking my glass of water just to recover for all the booze that we had yesterday. But without further ado, let's just hop in. So, looking at the NAS, you can clearly see that price is in a clean uptrend, right? Price is in a clean uptrend. We have created this high. We have created this high on the 4-hour. So we're looking for a potential what? For potential lower high. Anticipation of a continuation to the upside, right? So like I said in my trade idea, I'm looking for a higher low or an exhaustion to continue bullish. But this is where the tricky part plays part. Because now on the 4-hour, we're not looking for much. When I hop down to the hourly, because that's where I see everything, right? Price has now had this potential double top, right? We now have this potential double top, and we now have a break of our lower high, of our higher low. If you clearly look at this, right, we had a break of our lower high. Price broke above, price broke below of our lower high, right? From a higher high and a higher low and a higher high, not higher than the previous higher high. That's a potential double top. And from price reacting to the, and from price moving to the downside, breaking below our what, our lower, our higher low, that clearly gives me a sign that okay, from this double top that we have and from the break of our higher low, we might be looking for this retest right there, anticipate a potential reversal to the downside, right? But I repeat, when you look at the 4-hour, we say we're looking for this potential higher low and exhaustion phase to continue bullish, but on the hourly, we're looking at a potential reversal. So obviously, with now looking for potential reversal, with price showing us a potential reversal, and from price giving us a clear sign and a clear vision that we are creating this potential reversal, what are other signs that we might be looking for? Because one, we have a double top. Two, we broke below our previous higher low, or we closed below our previous higher low to end the week. Three, let's look forward for continuation to the downside if price gives us that continuation. But if we look for continuation to the upside, then that clearly means we have created a higher low or an exhaustion phase. We look to continue bullish, right? And that will be it. So that's my take on the NAS. So looking at gold, gold, I won't say much, but you guys remember that price has created this lows right there. Price created this lows that I've laid out, and the price had also created this lows that I've printed out, right? So with now price trading where it is, and you guys can see that I don't have a trade idea, but I just want to share something. Long as price don't break below, then I would look to continue bullish or reverse bullish. But if price breaks above the support, then I continue bullish. But if price fails to break, then I reverse and be bearish. Or if price breaks below the lows, then I have a clear sign of me continuing to the downside, right? But either way, I don't have a trade idea. I just don't like how price is moving. With price moving the way it's moving, we move, right? Looking at German 30. So German 30 has to be an interesting pair to look at this week, because price has printed out a new all-time high. Price has created a new all-time high. We've created a new all-time high at 16,428, right? With price creating this new all-time high, all I can say is, or all we'll be looking for is to continue bullish above major resistance and be bearish below, right? So something like this, from a break and retest, we continue to the upside, right? But if price does what pushes to the downside, we look for this retest below and look for potential reversal to the downside. And there will be it. So that's my take. That's also my take on USD, on German 30. Not looking for much, not looking for less, because prices created this new all-time high and we're trading above our major resistance. With those two anticipations, all I'm looking for is for continuation to the upside. Only if price holds above our major resistance, creating that new intraday support, and now continue bullish. But if price breaks below, then we need to look for that retest below of our resistance for continuation to the downside or reversal to the downside, and that will be it, right? So looking at US 30, so US 30, you can also tell that prices also broke above our major resistance, not our all-time high resistance, our major resistance. Like you can see right there, we did indicate for me in the community, this is our major sell zone, right? We're looking at this one as a major sell zone. So with price breaking above, you can clearly see that we broke above, but we still have some highs. So we still have some highs that we need to tackle off. You understand me? So I am looking to continue bullish on US 30 because price is trading above our resistance, right? With price trading above resistance, then we continue bullish once price gives us a retest and gives us signs that we fail to break below. But if we break below, then we look for a potential reversal to the downside, and there will be it, right? But you guys need to remember that we still have traffic on the left. What happened on the left might impact what's happening now. Let's just wait for price to give us a clear sign that we are breaking above these highs and look for continuation to the upside. Or price is giving us some type of potential reversal, then we look to be bearish and look for reversal to the downside. And that will be it, right? Looking at USD CAD. USD CAD, I don't have a trade idea. There's nothing that I can say, but you can clearly see that obviously we did break out. We broke out of our support, right? Now with price breaking above, with price breaking below of our support, with a bear engulfing candlestick moving to the downside, you can clearly see that we have created some type of lows right there, right? With price creating this type of lows or rejections right there. All I'm looking for now is that if price gives us size that we're failing to continue bullish, then I look for reversal. But if price trades below this intraday lows, then I look for continuation to the upside. But either way, I don't have a trade idea. I'm just waiting for confirmation into what I have to do, right? We move. Tesla. I don't want to say much because you can clearly see that I'm on trades. I'm holding a couple of trades right there, $86 with a $57 stop loss, right? With a target all the way to the upside with a 615 with a $615 per target, right? So I just said let's wait for confirmation because I'm on trades right now. And I don't want to hinder you guys into saying, okay, because I bought Tesla stocks, you guys also need to buy Tesla stocks or you need to sell Tesla stocks. Nah, let's wait for confirmation. Are we going to continue bullish or are we going to fail to continue bullish and look for potential reversal to the downside? And that will be it. Looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I won't say much. Bitcoin, there's no trade idea because, oh, this is Ethereum. Bitcoin, there's no trade idea because price was holding this intraday zone, right? Price was holding this intraday zone, and I wanted to share valuable information from this intraday zone. With price trading weights trading right now, there's nothing that I can say. I'm only waiting for confirmation. Are we going to continue bullish or going to reverse and be bearish? I don't know because now prices reacted off my zones, my support, my resistance, my highs, my lows, whatever that you say it is. Prices already reacted and moved. So there's nothing that I can say. We're looking for confirmation, right? Looking at Ethereum. Ethereum, you can clearly see that price had a push phase and an exhaustion phase. And a push continuing to the downside. We are looking for, obviously, for continuation to the downside basis of trading. So with price impulsively breaking back above this very same zone. All now I'm looking for is that because now price broke out and broke back in, we can simply wait for this break here or this break below, and or we just let Ethereum be what it is because price is kind of like moving sideways. We're breaking out, we're breaking back in, so there's nothing that I can clearly say. Price is moving sideways, we move. Now we're looking at Ethereum, looking at Bitcoin because the nigga live. So lit, same thing as Litecoin. We had a push phase and price started like correcting, right? So with price breaking below and breaking back above, this clearly gives me a sign that I need to wait for bullish breakout or for this bearish breakout again, or just let price be what it is because we're kind of like moving sideways, right? Last but not least, we're having oil, right? So I will break down how we took this trade, me and the community, on, I think it was from Monday up and until Friday. Yeah. Yeah, I think I will share how we took this trade. But looking at how prices reacted, looking at prices moving, you can clearly see that prices reacted off of our major sell zone, off of our major support, right? We have reacted off of our major support, right? Reacting from our major support, creating higher highs and higher lows on our current price, right? Creating higher highs and higher lows, creating higher highs and higher lows. So all I'm looking for is to be bullish above zone and be bearish below. Breaking out, we continue bullish. Fail to break, I look for reversal and be bearish, and that will be it. Apart from that, I'm not looking for much. Whether I have my 15-minute supply or my hourly supply, I don't care. I base it on the hourly. Will the 4-hour break above this major zone with this zone, or will it fail to break? And that will be it, right? So, people, you guys can clearly see that this coming week will be kind of like tricky, right? We don't have trade ideas on some pairs, or we don't have confirmation from some pairs. Those that can see what they have to do, let them do what they have to do. Those who can see a thing, don't force a trade. Just let it be and just enjoy your life. You understand me? Without further ado, people, this is all I wanted to share. I know you guys I know you guys rely so much on my trading outlooks. I'm here, I'm back, and I'm not going anywhere. Make sure you like, subscribe, you share, and turn on the notification, because me giving you free information, you guys need to give me free information. What's those information I'm talking about? Like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification so you can get notified every time I upload. And it also helps us boost with the algorithm. Without further ado, Mr. Harlem, that's all I got on this video.